process begins with a refrigerant, a chemical compound that is capable of absorbing and releasing heat efficiently. The most commonly used refrigerants today are hydrofluorocarbons. Components of an air conditioner. The air conditioning system consists of four main components: compressor, condenser, expansion valve, evaporator, refrigerant. Compressor. The compressor is the heart of the air conditioning system. It circulates refrigerant and increases its pressure, facilitating the transfer of heat. Condenser. The condenser is responsible for dissipating heat from the refrigerant by converting it from a high-pressure gas to a high-pressure liquid. Evaporator. The evaporator absorbs heat from the surrounding air by converting the refrigerant from a low-pressure liquid to a low-pressure gas. Expansion valve. The expansion valve regulates the flow of refrigerant into the evaporator, reducing its pressure and temperature. Refrigerant. Refrigerant is a chemical substance that undergoes phase transitions to transfer heat. It absorbs heat from the indoor air and releases it outside, cooling the indoor space.